Woke up in the morning, there was snow all around. Measured up from the ground, it was 2 feet, my 2 feet are freezing cold. I'm getting too old for these winter wonderland shenanigans. My patience running thin, where do I begin? These 4 walls keep closing in. I gotta dig, gotta escape from this solitude. My family stuck inside this little house. It's too cold outside for adoption. That's right, it's no fun when your arena gets too cold. It's way too much snow for my 3-year-old. She's in over her head. I'm about to turn heads like Right Said Fred.
I'm too sexy for the snow, too sexy for the snow. It's got to go. I'm too sexy for the snow, too sexy for the snow.
Go home, winter.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's here for the longevity. Snow blind, I can barely see. Trying to break free from the frozen. No, I don't want a little snowman, so don't sing it. Just let it go. Don't eat the yellow snow. If you got the heat, just bring it. Cause I can no longer face this reality. I'm so done with the blizzard of 2016. It's gonna take forever to melt away. So while I wait, I'll dream myself away. Dream about them sunny day dreaming. Sunny day dreaming. Dream it all away. Sweep it all away. I'm here dreaming about them sunny days. Sunny days. Sunny days dreaming. I'm here dreaming about them sunny days. Sweep it all away. Go home, winter. Sweep the snow away. I'm dreaming about them sunny days. Sweep it all away.